Okay, good morning students, morning everyone. I'm recording this for you to get help for matrices. Let us say I have the following two matrices, A and B. Now, for a question like this, prove that A to the negative 1, A is equal to I. Now, you need to understand, you need to analyze the situation. What A to the negative 1 means? That means the inverse of any matrix, right? But in this case, it's the inverse of matrix A. So we have to find the inverse. So let me find the inverse of A is 1 over the determinant times the adjoint, right? So 1 over the determinant, 1 over 4 times 1 will give me 4 minus 3 times 2 will give me 6 over the adjoint. So we swap the leading diagonal and multiply the others by negative 1. So this will give you 1 over negative 2 brackets, negative 3, negative 2, and 4. So my inverse will be negative a half, 3 halves, positive 1, and negative 2. So this is my inverse. Now that I have my inverse, I will use this equation and I will substitute it. So A inverse times A should equal to I. So the inverse is negative a half, 3 halves, 1 and negative 2. So that is the information we got in here. See that the inverse. So now times A. So I will substitute A. A is 4, 3, 2, 1, and I should get the following values: 1, 0, 0, 1. So that is the I matrix of a 2 by 2 matrix. The leading diagonal should be 1, right? So whenever I multiply this 2, I should get this answer. So let me check. A inverse times A. So understand, students, you need to understand, you need to take a look at what is given and let us find it if it's not there. So now this is row times column. So this will give me negative half times 4 plus 3 half times 2. Then negative a half times 3 plus 3 halves times negative 1 times 1, sorry. So now finish with this row on all columns. We move with the next row, all columns. 1 times 4 plus negative 2 times 2. Then this other negative 1 times 3, sorry, 1 times 3 plus negative 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So that should equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So it's right there. So I do the maths. So this will give me 2 plus negative 2 plus 3, right? Cancel this, and it comes 2 times negative 1 give me negative 2. So this will give me negative 3 half plus 3 halves. Here will give me 4 plus negative 4. And here will give me 3 plus negative 2. And this should give me 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? Now this 2 will give me 1. This will cancel to 0. This 2 will cancel to 0. And this will give me 3 minus 2 will give me 1. So my left hand side is equal to my right hand side. Equal to the right hand side. So that is the information that we have for today. So very good. See you for the other video that I will be doing in a few.